Mass, you're ready for this? I know we have not been meeting almost for 3 months with the public celebration of the Masses, but with the decree of the Archbishop, today, this weekend, we are opening our parishes gradually, the key word is gradually, to the Masses for people to come and participate. This is a good news, but we have to take this very cautiously because the COVID-19 has not gone away yet. The virus is still around. So this video is meant to give you some introduction, some steps as you come to our parish to celebrate with us in the Mass this weekend. So this is totally new to all of us. None of us have done it in the past. This is going to be the new normal. So please bear with me, bear with all of our volunteers who have come up willingly to help us. So to begin with, you are entering into the parking lot to the main door, main gate, and we have only one entry into the church, which has been the very normal entry in the past too. So when you come there, before you come, there will be a volunteer who will ask you to put your name and your last name and the phone number. Why we do this? Simply because, God forbid, someone comes up with COVID-19 symptoms later on, we have this list to track. Hey, you guys who attended 5 p.m. Mass on May 23rd, please go quarantine yourself. So when you come, do this first thing. Put your name, your last name, and the phone number so that we can keep this record and track. Number one. Number two, as you enter through the main door, there will be a volunteer to check your thermometer without having to touch you. This is infrared forehead thermometer, means from a distance, somebody can do like this and it will record the temperature. So this is step 2, checking your temperature. Step 3, somebody will be there to give you little bit of hand sanitizer to clean your hands because we don't know what surfaces you have touched. So, more cleaning, more alcohol. As someone said in 2020, we thought we will have flying cars, but we have learned to wash our hands. So, number 3. Then when you come into the church, we have our pews which are clearly marked. If you notice here, do not sit on this pew. No te sientes en este banca, gracias. So when you say this, do not sit on this pew. It means we are trying to avoid every other pew so that we can maintain distance. And also on the pew you see number is written 5. It means 5 people can sit on this pew. However, there's a difference. If you come as a family, as a household of 4, you all can sit together because you all live in the same household. But between 4 of you and the next person who perhaps might come individually, there should be 6 feet distance. That is why we call it social distancing. Social distancing, 2 meters, 6 feet. You can see all around the church we have put them on the floor as well. Please keep your distance. Wait here. So this is the mantra of the day, social distancing. So do not congregate. Practice social distancing. Then during the Mass, we will not be using the books. For the missalettes or hymnals, everything is going to be projected on our overhead projectors. So thanks to our communication team who have done that. Next, during the offertory, someone will come. So this has almost a 6 feet distance to ask for your offerings, and you can drop your weekly contribution right in the basket. No one is touching you. You're not touching anyone. This is for the offertory. Then at the time of exchange of peace, you are not going to shake hands with anybody. You're not going to embrace anybody. Just do this, hi, but don't say out loud, keeping the liturgical principles in mind. But get this, throughout the Mass, from the time you enter have the mask on. Everyone. You, choir, lectors, volunteers, everyone will have the mask throughout the Mass until you leave the church. Priest, however, has an exception because I have to be speaking all through the Mass. So, at the time of communion, again, our volunteers will come around giving you a drop of this sanitizer to clean your hands. The priest will come to your pew to distribute the body of Christ. You don't have to rise, no coming in line, no formation of line. Following the decree of the Archbishop Gustavo, you are only receiving the body of Christ. So, open your palms and I will give you the body of Christ on your hand, not on the tongue. So, that is during the communion. Towards the end, when you leave, you are not going back in the same direction. There are two small exits, small doors, which clearly mention as the exit. To make it easy, the exit doors are where the statue of Mother Mary and the statue of Jesus are. That's one exit. And you see the statue of Jesus, that's the another exit. So, those are the two exits only. Then after you leave the church, we have our volunteers once again to come and clean the pews. You see, it's a lot of work. So, because to promote and preserve everyone's safety, after the Mass, the pew is cleaned so that we are getting ready for the next Mass participants. And our volunteers will be wearing the gloves, hand gloves. So, these are not just for the priest, because at the time of the Eucharist, we are not supposed to wear anything else. The volunteers will be wearing the hand gloves when they direct you somewhere or when they come over for collections and all that. The hand gloves. So, the bottom line is, we are getting back to the celebration of the Masses. However, we are called to exercise more caution, extra caution, so that we preserve and promote everyone's safety. Friends, we thank you. And as Archbishop said, you are still dispensed from the obligation of Sunday and the Holy Day. Come over. And if you can see these stickers, you can show from here. Go there. Me. Archbishop has dispensed all Catholics in the Archdiocese from the Sunday and Holy Day obligation. So, if you feel sick, if you have symptoms of COVID, please stay home and be participating in the spiritual communion. Meanwhile, pray for everyone as we slowly, gradually open our parishes to the public celebration of Masses. Friends, we also thank all of our volunteers who are helping us in this. And also, you can watch the Mass live on Facebook. Keeping all these precautions in mind, we trust in God that He will heal our nation and our world from this pandemic, COVID-19. So, as we come, this is going to be a new exercise for all of us. This is the new normal for all of us. May God be with us. May God bless us and heal us from the pandemic COVID-19. Father Praveen Lakkisetti, here at Christ the King Catholic Church, San Antonio, Texas. God bless you.